In this section of our tutorial, we'll explore how to set up the point of sale module on PTPShopy. This innovative feature allows merchants like you to accept cryptocurrency payments directly in your store. PTPShopy's POS system stands out for its versatility in handling crypto transactions, the ability to set up the POS module for multiple stores under the same account, and its robust security measures. It supports over 400 cryptocurrencies, making it incredibly flexible for various customer preferences. Let's walk through the steps to get started. First, ensure you're logged in to your PTPShopy merchant account. Navigate to the Point of Sale section. Click on Create New Point of Sale and enter the name of your shop, the name of that business during the checkout, the logo of the shop or brand, and then enter the display currency for that store. Now that the shop has been created, go to Accepted Cryptocurrencies and select the cryptocurrencies that you want that particular store to accept for payment. Now we want to create the order for the product or service. Click on Create Checkout. As you can see, there are no recorded checkouts as it has not yet been set up. Click on Create at the top right corner. Choose the currency that the customer is supposed to pay in, the sale price of the product or service, the order ID, and then a description of the product or service being sold. Then click Create. After this has been complete, the merchant receives a QR code and a receive address. This needs to be shown to the customer so that the customer can scan the QR code with their wallet and make the purchase for that particular product or service. If you're operating an online store, go to where it says Share on the right of the screen, and under this tab you'll see a link button. The merchant can copy the payment link and add it to their invoicing. When the shopping cart is clicked on, the payment link displays the merchant's store, the amount to due, and how many minutes are left before that particular payment link expires. If the payment is not made in time, the merchant can resend the payment link. However, this time the amount due will be updated in accordance with the current price of the currency on the crypto market. If you need to double check to make sure that the checkout information is correct, go back to the checkout section and click on the order. Your checkout ID and creation date alongside the service and the current payment amount will be shown. If the customer pays the full amount, the record will be displayed in the Payments tab. If the customer makes a partial payment, the record will be displayed in Unidentified Payments. From there, the merchant will be able to decide what to do with the transaction. The merchant can tie an identified payment for an already created sale order, and then the order with the original amount will be closed and exactly the same sale order with the received amount will be created. You can also create a new sale order for the buyer for the difference of the unpaid amount, or make a refund of the amount received. The choice is up to the merchant. If the created sale order was not paid during this time, then the order remains with the merchant in the awaiting payment status. But it will be impossible to get a checkout for this order since the sale order is expired. The merchant can close the order or delete it and create a new one. Now, you're all set up with the PTPShopy's POS module.